brands have different stories as to their why, that they're in the nutraceutical industry, which is pretty cool to interact with. It's not the same type of customer over and over again. They're all unique, and that's really enjoyable for me. Hey everyone, my name's Tyler. For the past decade, I've been diving headfirst into the world of sales, from software and tech. Most recently, though, with health and wellness supplements. I've had the chance to learn the ins and outs of different industries and meet incredible people along the way. The last 4 years have found me calling Vox Nutrition home, where I'm constantly learning and growing alongside an amazing team. That's one of the things that I enjoy most about the job, is the people that I work with. We have really good banter. There's never a dull moment. So yeah, we all just feed off each other, and it's a cool environment. The way that we cater to our customers is something that sets us apart from other manufacturers in the industry. I've received that feedback numerous times from clients that I work with. Response times to getting their needs fulfilled in a timely manner is something that I receive feedback on that Vox excels in compared to other manufacturers. So being able to help them out with achieving, the vision that they have for their brand is really fulfilling. The rapport is established from the first conversation, whether it be email or phone call. So I want to make a good first impression, and I want to set realistic expectations for the customers. And then it's really crucial that I fulfill those expectations that I've promised to establish and maintain that relationship going forward. So yeah, I have, all the customers are different. Some of them want to talk to me, every day. Some of them only want to hear from me when it's necessary. And so you have to be able to adapt to each customer and get to know them and provide, what they need based on, how you've established that relationship with them. I do have to interact with the other departments a lot as well, design department, labeling department, shipping department, manufacturing. So we're all a team here. All of those departments coming together is crucial in ensuring that we do fulfill the customer's needs. So not only do I enjoy interacting with the customer, but all of the other departments are really great to work with as well. And we're a cohesive team to make sure that, things come out the way they're supposed to for our customers. Thanks for tuning in.